Philippine National Police Chief Oscar Albayalde orders a review on the performance of his officers' accomplishments in the war on drugs after President Duterte said in his State of the Nation address that the campaign will be as relentless as the day it began. Lea Ylagan tells us why.
More than 2 years after its launching, the Philippine National Police will recalibrate its campaign against illegal drugs. This is following President Rodrigo Duterte's promise in his third SONA to further intensify the operation amid allegations of human rights abuses and political killings. PNP Chief Police Director General Oscar Albayalde says the recalibration will focus on two fronts: the performance of all police commanders and the accounting of all drug users and pushers across the country, including those who have surrendered in the past.
Wala naman tayong bagong guidelines dito. That is part of our recalibration. Parang kumbaga sa sasakyan, parang i-tune up mo. So we will yung mga police diyan, if they do not react, then they will be relieved from their post.
Albayalde says police commanders will face dismissal if they are found to have low achievements under the anti-drug campaign.
Kung talagang low performance siya over the past few years, kung talagang matagal na siya nakaupo, then if we have to relieve these commanders, then we will do so. That is part of the recalibration.
The PNP chief, however, is quick to clarify that their intention in conducting a recalibrated Oplan Tukang is to safeguard the safety of majority of Filipinos and that the drug war will only be chilling for those engaged in illegal acts.
We're doing our best naman dito, no? Nakita naman natin yung ginagawa natin, palagi nating pinapantayan ito ng ating counterintelligence at saka ng ating internal cleansing to avoid abuse ng iba pa sa aming hanay.
The general also appeals to the critics and local government officials to help in the rehabilitation of more than 1 million drug surrenderers instead of lambasting the government's war on drugs. Data from the PNP show that over 140,000 drug personalities were arrested under the campaign. More than 4,000 were killed in anti-drug operations, while 1,600 plus are in the PNP watch list with 900 high-value targets. Lea Ylagan, UNTV, News and Rescue, Kamkrame.